Hi there, and welcome back. Today we are making incredibly soft crepes, filled with sweet, creamy cheese and raisins. Let's start with our perfect crepe batter. Here is what we need: 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 milliliters of milk, 30 grams of sugar. Next, 1 fresh egg, and 2 grams of vanilla sugar for that amazing bakery aroma. Just a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. And a splash of sunflower oil, so our crepes cook perfectly without sticking. Let's begin making our batter. Grab a large, deep bowl for convenience. Add 1 egg, the vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, and our regular sugar. Now mix everything thoroughly with a hand mixer. Of course, you can easily use a simple whisk, or even a fork if you prefer. Next, add the flour. Then, gradually pour in the milk in small batches. This simple trick helps turn the thick mixture into a smooth liquid batter, completely avoiding any lumps. Add a splash of sunflower oil right into the mix. And finally, whisk in the remaining milk until perfectly smooth. Let's prep the stove and set it to medium heat. While it warms up, let's check the consistency of our batter and add our secret ingredient: 1 glass of sparkling water. You can use regular water, but the bubbles give our crepes a beautifully light, tender, and porous texture. Now let's fry our crepes. First, lightly grease the hot pan, then pour in a ladle of batter. Flip them carefully. Feel free to use whatever handy tools you have in your kitchen. And now, let's finally move on to our delicious filling. We will need 200 grams of soft farmer's cheese, 50 grams of sugar, 50 grams of sweet raisins, 1 egg, a bit of salt, and 2 grams of vanilla sugar for that wonderful aroma. We are almost done. We're on the home stretch. Now let's prepare our filling. Let's start with the sugar. Pour it directly into the bowl with our soft cheese. Next, add a tiny pinch of salt, the vanilla sugar, and crack in 1 fresh egg. Mix everything together thoroughly until it's nice and smooth. And finally, stir in our sweet raisins. Seems like you like the recipe? Maybe you could leave a like, it supports us a lot. Now, take a crepe and spread a thin, even layer of our sweet filling right over it. After that, carefully roll it up tightly, just as shown in the video. Take it slow at this stage. We wouldn't want any of that sweet filling to escape, would we? Now we'll need a baking dish. We could simply fry them in a pan, but baking takes the flavor to a whole new level. It gives them a magical texture, slightly crispy on the outside, while the sweet filling becomes incredibly soft and warm inside. Let's take our baking dish and carefully arrange all the filled crepes inside. Finally, slice some rich butter directly over the top. It will melt beautifully in the oven. Now, let's preheat our oven. It's best to do this a little in advance. You can experiment with the settings, but we highly recommend using the standard top and bottom heat mode, set to about 170 degrees Celsius. Now simply close the oven door and forget about them for the next 20 minutes. Let the oven do its magic. And finally, our dish is ready. Let's plate it beautifully. You can even finish it with a light dusting of powdered sugar on top. Bon appetit, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. We reply to every single one of them. Thank you.